Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Study with Miss Lin, your friendly place to learn English you can use every day.
Hello, my dear students. I'm Miss Lin, and today we'll learn something very useful, how to ask for prices and discounts when shopping in English. Pack in your bags.
That's right. Whether you're shopping at a local market or a big store, knowing how to ask for prices politely is super important.
Exactly. Today you'll learn how to say, how much is this? Can I get a discount? And many other phrases native speakers use.
So, if you love shopping, this lesson is definitely for you.
Everyone loves shopping, Ryan. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join our growing English learning community. Flower! Let's start with the most basic and useful question. How much is this? Or how much does this cost?
So, if I'm in a store and see something nice, I can say, "Excuse me, how much is this t-shirt?"
Perfect. That's polite and clear. You can also say, could you tell me the price of this? This one sounds a bit more formal.
Got it. And what if I'm pointing at something behind the counter?
You can say, how much is that one, please? Adding please makes it sound more polite, and that always helps.
Especially if I want a good deal.
After you hear the price, how can you respond? Let's practice. If something is cheap, you can say, that's a good price, or that's not bad at all. If it's expensive, you can say, oh, that's a bit expensive, or that's more than I expected.
Oh, so I can say, "That's a little expensive. Do you have something cheaper?"
Exactly. That's polite and smart. You can also say, is there a discount on this? Do you have a sale today?
I like that one. Is this on sale? It sounds natural and confident.
Yes, that's what real shoppers say.
Now comes my favorite part, asking for a discount.
Everyone loves discounts, right? But remember, in English, it's important to stay polite. Here are some nice ways to ask. Can you give me a discount? Could you make it a little cheaper? Is there any special offer today?
That's good. I can imagine saying, "I really like this one. Can you give me a small discount?"
Perfect tone. Friendly, not pushy. And if you buy more than one item, say, if I buy two, can you give me a better price?
Ah, so polite English plus smile equals better discount.
Exactly, Ryan. Politeness is the best shopping trick. After getting your price or discount, it's time to pay. You can say, I'll take it, or I'll buy this one, please.
And the cashier might say, "Cash or card?"
Exactly. Then you can answer, by card, please, or here's the cash.
Easy. And after paying, what should I say?
Always finish with a smile. Thank you very much, or have a nice day.
And if the shopkeeper says, "Thanks, come again," I can reply, "Sure, see you soon."
Perfect. You sound natural and polite. That's the goal. Well done, everyone. Now you know how to ask for prices, talk about money, and get discounts, all in polite English.
Yes, we learned expressions like how much is this? Is there a discount? And could you make it cheaper?
Exactly. Remember, being polite makes communication smoother and sometimes even helps you save money.
That's the best English lesson ever.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment your favorite shopping phrase below.
And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Study with Miss Lin so we can keep learning English together, one friendly conversation at a time.
See you next time.